You may be wondering what goes into changing a tyre. Well, there's a lot more to it than you might think. Let's take a look and see how it's done. Once the wheels have been safely removed from your car, the fitter removes the valve core and releases all the air. Using a tyre machine, the old tyre is separated from the wheel rim. Now for the new tyre. The fitter begins by coating the tyre's beads and rim with lubricant. Then, using the tyre machine again, it is carefully mounted onto the wheel. Next, the tyre is inflated to the correct pressure, making sure the beads are seated accurately on the shoulder of the rim. Now the wheel needs balancing using small weights of various sizes. This is to ensure there is no vibration from the wheel and tyre. Before the wheels are remounted to the vehicle, the fitter will check to see if your tyres are directional or asymmetrical, and fit the wheels accordingly. Unbalanced or incorrectly fitted wheels can affect the lifespan and reliability of a tyre. So there you have it, hey? Perhaps not as easy as you thought. Tyres are fitted professionally so that you get the best out of your purchase and so that you and everybody else are safe on the roads.